People ask me, what is my job? I basically say, helping save lives. Knowing that heart bypass surgeries are very important, you need to have equipment that is going to be able to support that and support it right.
So we make cannulas as well as perfusion tubing sets that are used during open heart surgery to act as your heart and lungs. I'm just passionate about being involved with a large company that has a large product portfolio, and I really enjoy the people that I work with each and every day. And knowing that we have that higher involvement is really making, it's really what the job does for me. I think it's more than a job and a career. You know that you're impacting the well-being of our society.
What makes me proud is that I know whatever my work is here, it's making an impact in the world. I think that's the most important. Another thing is, the people who work here. They're just amazing. They're open-minded and they love sharing their knowledge. And that goes a long way.
Well, I started out with LivaNova on the production floor, so I've had some amazing opportunities to move up within the organization and move around. So that's one of the things that makes me proud. And then also hearing the stories of how our products impact people, and patients. So that definitely makes me proud to work here.
I'm just proud of our culture. We work together as a team, and my team really is driven. So it's great. I mean, I come to work and work with such excellent people that it just drives me, and it inspires me.
Coming to work here, I mean, it's impactful. Especially when you hear the cases of people that have used our packs in life-saving events or saved a child's life. It always brings tears to everybody's eyes. So that is a good work environment, and I think it's the amount of care that the managers and supervisors do for the people. I don't want to sound too cliche, but it's the people. The people that I work with and that I have worked with for 23 years has been exceptional. I mean, they're dedicated, they love what they do, and my biggest task is to keep them motivated and make sure that their job is enjoyable.